Notion Templates for Productivity App. The pros, the cons. The Notion Templates for Productivity app is perfect for anyone looking to organize their life, work, and projects efficiently. Most people get this wrong by creating systems from scratch, but here's the surprising truth. Pre-made templates save time, reduce stress, and boost consistency. A major pro is the variety of templates available. You can find options for project management, habit tracking, note-taking, personal finances, and even goal setting. For example, a weekly planner template lets you schedule tasks, track priorities, and monitor progress without building tables or calendars from scratch. Another advantage is ease of customization. You won't believe how flexible these templates are. You can tweak layouts, add databases, and integrate reminders to fit your exact workflow. Many templates also include visual elements like boards, galleries, and timelines, making organization intuitive and engaging. The app often comes with tutorials on using each template effectively. It guides users on linking databases, creating recurring tasks, and embedding resources like Google Docs or spreadsheets. Community-driven templates add extra value, with innovative systems shared by productivity enthusiasts worldwide. On the downside, some templates may be overwhelming for beginners due to their complexity. Premium templates often require a paid subscription, and over-reliance on templates can sometimes limit creativity or adaptability. Users should balance templates with personal adjustments. In conclusion, the Notion Templates for Productivity app is a powerful tool for anyone looking to streamline organization and boost efficiency. By providing ready-made systems, customization options, and community insights, it makes planning and productivity accessible, practical, and engaging. With consistent use, these templates can transform how you manage work, projects, and personal goals.